Assalamu alaikum to everyone present here. I am Aida Isha from class 6 and today I want to tell you something about electricity and circuits. In today's day-to-day life, we use electricity for making our daily tasks easier. For example, we use electricity for lighting our houses, offices, markets, even after sunset. With the help of electricity, we can continue working even at night. A power station generates electricity, but sometimes it may fail in an area or may not be available at some places. So in that situation, we use an electric torch. So where does the electric torch get the electricity from? So the electric torch gets the electricity from an electric cell. Electric cell is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So let me tell you something about electrical cell. So the outer covering of electrical cell is made up of zinc and it has two terminals. Positive terminal and the negative terminal. And chemicals are present in an electrical cell. These are ammonium chloride, manganese dioxide, and carbon black. For example, this is an electrical cell. So this is a positive terminal of the electrical cell and it has a metal cap, and this is the negative terminal of the electrical cell. The positive terminal of the electrical cell has a metal cap and this has a plus sign, positive sign, and the negative terminal is a metal disc and this has a negative sign. Then comes the torch bulb. So bulb is a device that provides light when electricity is applied on it. So the outer covering of a bulb is made up of glass. So the outer case of bulb is made up of glass and inert gases are present in it. Okay, and in a bulb there is a thin wire known as filament which glows when electricity heats it. And the filament is made of tungsten. And tungsten is an element in the periodic table. Tungsten is an element present in the periodic table. Tungsten has a very high melting point, so it won't melt due to the heat generated by the electric current. So this was about electrical bulb. And electric bulb also has two terminals, positive terminal and the negative terminal. Now I will tell you something about electric circuit. So before telling you something about electric circuit, let me tell you about electric current. Electric current is a flow of electricity through an electric circuit. An electric circuit is a closed path. An electric circuit is a closed path through which electricity flows. Okay. So electric circuit, you can make a simple electrical circuit with the help of electric cell and an electric bulb. And now comes the switch. Electrical switch. So what is the purpose of an electric switch? The purpose of an electric switch is to complete or break down the circuit. You may have seen in your house when you turn on the switch, the bulb in our house or the fan or the refrigerator begins to work. When we off the switch, they stop working. So this is the purpose of an electric switch. Okay. So when you want to glow the bulb, you can turn on the switch, and when you don't want to, you can off the switch. And then comes the last topic, conductors and insulators. Conductors are the materials that allow electricity to pass through them. For example, copper or metals are very good conductors of electricity, and we humans are also very good conductors of electricity. And why? Because our body is made up of water, and water is a good conductor of electricity. And second reason is that our body contains ions and minerals, for example sodium, potassium, which can conduct electricity. So these are the examples of conductors. And insulators are the materials that don't allow electricity to pass through them. If I give you example, rubber or plastic. That's why electricians use rubber gloves when they repair an electric switch or electric wire. So this rubber protects them from electric shock. So I wanted to give you this information about electricity and circuits. I hope you understood. Thanks.